All right, I'm in class right now.
What?
Making my introduction. Oh, got one. I got a trout, guys. And I just got one. I'm so psyched. Oh my God. I literally have 2-pound test, guys. Oh, this is a good freaking trout. Oh my God. Oh, this is a good trout. What? This is freaking crazy. Big guy. So I'm just gonna pick him up by the side because I don't know if I'm gonna keep him or not. This is a freaking toad. This beautiful trout. He won't swim away. It's been like, I spent about 5 minutes of trying to release him. These are stock trout, so they're meant to be kept, but you know, I always try to release fish when I can. There you go.
Oh, you're good.
Oh shit. That's fish. What the?
Love, you gotta let him eat it. This is trout.
No, but I wanna, then they swallow it.
Yeah, but that's how you wanna catch him.
Wait, what the heck? Oh my God, he's
on
on.
the reel.
Got him.
Wait, you hit it as you're reeling it in? What the fuck?
Yeah, guys, I
What is
literally,
that, heavy action?
no, that is a slight. I literally was reeling it in after I got hit and he chased it. Oh,
that's a nice one.
that's a nice. If this guy swallowed it, dude, you can have him. All right. You. Look at that. Dude, they fight hella hard. Come over here. Come over here. All right, guys, this is my second fish of the day. Go. Oh shit, that's a fish.
Nice.
Oh, never mind.
What the f?
Oh, that's a big one. Get him.
Dude, how many did you catch today?
Dude, just use my power eggs. Use the eggs I have. Oh my. That's a big trout.
That's a huge one.
Yo.
Yeah.
Woo.
That's huge. Oh my God.
This guy's going in the frying pan. You. Yeah. But how come a lot of bass anglers they fish right-handed? Because you have to switch hands every time you like flip or something. Huh. Either a fish or weeds. Yeah. Oh, fish! On the jerk bait. You get it on video? Yeah. That's what I'm gonna tie on. All right, guys, little 1/4 pounder right there. Let's get the release. Yeet.
Deer and elk now.
Uh-huh.
Duck hunting is awful fun.
Yeah.
My wife killed it. There,
Oh.
nice one.
I freaking saw him swimming with it. Got a fish. There. I got it. Yeah. Boat flip him.
Flip him.
Oh, dude, he's got craw tentacles sticking out of his mouth.
You're on the comeback trail.
Nice one, guys. Got a little, probably 1.5 pounder.
Yep, 1 1/4, 1 1/2.
Yeah. Let's get that release. Did you get it on video? Yeah. The whole thing. I got like the freaking hook set where I jacked him too. Psych!